Welcome back to Josh's Lazy Kitchen, where I show you how to meal prep for an entire week in less than 12 minutes, and you don't have to eat the same thing every single day. This meal was actually brought to you by the one and only Coach J.Y. This is something he eats very often, and if you like buffalo chicken dip, you're going to love this. So, I hate cooking chicken, so I actually buy this frozen chicken breast strips right here. They are amazing. They taste really good. They're not as healthy for you as if you just brought chicken, but honestly, any kind of store-bought chicken right now is a little bit on the sketch side, so whatever, might as well be convenient. It takes about 2 minutes in the microwave and we're good to go. I get the strips, he gets the diced chicken. It is easier with the diced chicken. Next up, we're going to use the Uncle Ben's bagged rice. Now, any kind of rice really is going to work. I like this because it's quick and easy. And again, we're bringing back the Greek yogurt and some hot sauce of your choice. So what we're going to do is we are going to put the rice in here. Yummy, yummy rice. Just for future reference, one of these bags is about 1.5 cups, so depending on how much rice you need, you can kind of vary that. Then we're going to put in some of this delicious Greek yogurt that is actually disgusting by itself, but really good in other things. So we're going to put some of that in there. I don't actually recommend using a measuring cup to do all this with. I just didn't have another bowl, so that's what we're using. Now, from here, we're going to lay on the hot sauce. I like my stuff spicy, so we're going to go ham on this, right? Lots of hot sauce. That was a lot of hot sauce. That's the way I like it. Sorry, J.Y, I owe you some hot sauce. Now we're going to do a little mixy-mixy. Get this all stirred up, all nice and mixed in. And if you're wondering how much Greek yogurt to use, I use roughly about a serving. Normally, I would weigh it out. Honestly, normally I would just use single serving, but I forgot to bring that with me too. So now we have this all mixed up. And then, this is why having diced chicken is actually better. I'm going to rip up my chicken so it's in chunks. So it's nice and chunky or diced up. The only reason I don't have the diced chicken is because I also use this for a different recipe that I will show you later, that the diced chicken does not work as well for. And I am a creature of liking to find things that taste good and works well. Now that I think about it, I guess I could have just bought diced chicken and a bag of this because I buy 2 bags a week. Next time I'll do that. But we're going to rip this all up or just have diced chicken already. And boom, now we're going to mix this in. And we have what is essentially going to be a buffalo chicken dip style thing that actually tastes pretty good. And if you are questioning this, thinking there's no way this tastes good, don't worry. Everyone who watched JY did this thought the same thing until we did it, and we all ended up loving it. But this thing has somewhere in the ballpark of like 45 to 50 grams of protein. It's very high in protein, and it is really good, really easy to make. And you can keep most of these things in a refrigerator or freezer at work, so you don't even have to bring a bunch of stuff with you, and it requires next to no cooking other than a microwave. So super easy, super simple, and delicious. So that was a quick and easy recipe you can make anywhere, anytime.